Hi, this is Anne from Max Reviews, and today I'm reviewing amazing product, the Zoom H1n. This record has a fantastic design, is incredibly lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for recording on to go. Take a look at this. Here is where the micro SD card goes, allowing you to store recordings up to 32 GB. On the other side, this is where you insert two AA batteries which provide up to 10 hours of operation. Super practical. This is where you turn the device on, and as soon as you power it up, it's ready to record. On the top you'll find the built-in stereo XY microphones that deliver crystal clear sound. On the side, there is a stereo input, which means you can connect an external microphone or another audio source. And when you're done recording, you can easily transfer your files to your computer via the micro USB port or use the device as an audio interface. The H1n also comes with a windscreen, which helps reduce wind noise when recording outdoors. All in all, this is an extremely practical and high-quality recorder ideal for journalists, content creators, and musicians. Thanks for watching.